Hi, we are OXI Instruments and we would like to present you OXI One, a new way to create musical ideas and control all your studio gear. One is versatile and compact. It brings to you new approaches for music making, from intuitive composition tools to deep and performative sequencing power. Build exciting chord progressions in a matter of seconds with the powerful chord mode. When inspiration lacks, the algorithmic randomizer helps ideas to start flowing. Let the melody harmonically flow with your chord progression with the built-in harmonizer. The harmonizer together with the chord mode makes OXI One an amazing tool for composition and real-time performance of many instruments. Full polyphony support for MIDI synths and modular setups. Total note freedom with multitouch. OXI One closes the gap between MIDI and control voltage like never before. Freely play over your patterns and melodies. Add modulation and randomization on the go. All the tools you need to perform. OXI One can become the brain of your live performances. We are a team of musicians who developed OXI One having in mind all the needs from the beginner to the professional producer. OXI One is packed with a lot of exciting features. We have improved our ideas with constant feedback from the community, and we will keep doing so. We also plan to keep pushing ourselves to add even more features. By supporting us, you will not only be one of the first people to have OXI One, you will also become part of our team. Help us to make it happen.